Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So I know I usually upload hair videos, but today I just wanted to share with you guys my everyday summer makeup routine. Like, this is a very simple makeup look. I hope you guys like this video. It is a little bit different to what I usually upload in this channel, so I don't know, I hope you guys like it. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I upload videos of hair most of the time, curly hair videos. Also, I test out a lot of hair tools. I also wanted to ask you guys, my skin has been clearing up like crazy. I mean, right now I have makeup on, so you know, you can't really tell. I feel if you guys want like an updated skincare routine, I have been using different products that are just, oh my god, amazing. So if you guys are interested in a video like that about skincare and like how to clear up your acne or like how to fade away dark spots, because that's what I'm working on right now. They're actually fading away slowly, you know, it takes time, but I just have some products that I have been loving and I just wanted to share with you guys. So if you guys want to see that video, let me know and I'll film that. So yeah, let's get right into this makeup look tutorial. So I like to start with concealer. This is the concealer that I have been using for a while now. I love it. It is from Maybelline. This is probably my favorite drugstore concealer. It is so good and it only costs like $8. Like, it is a steal. I think it's $8 or $10, something around there. But it's really good. It's totally worth it. I put it all over my face and then I use my Belle Beauty brush to kind of blend everything in. Then after that, I use my Mercier foundation. I love this foundation. It's so good for the summer because, you know, when you sweat, and I got oily. I get oily regardless, but in the summer I get even more oily and sweaty. But I feel like this foundation really helps with the oils on my skin. Then I use this Wet n Wild brow pencil. I love this. It only cost me like $5. Drugstore makeup is like really good. Really good. I love drugstore makeup and I think it's totally worth it. I mean, this only cost me like $5 and it gets the job done. So I just brush my brows first and then I use the pencil to kind of fill in my brows. I do kind of like hair looking strokes and then just so it can, you know, look a little bit more natural. And then I use the spoolie again to brush my eyebrows one more time. So then I use this Sephora powder foundation. Guys, I hit pan on this. Can you see that? Like, I have been using this for a while. I love this. It's very affordable and it's just good quality. I love it so much. And then I use this Physicians Formula butter bronzer. I love this as well. This is also from the drugstore. I'm telling you guys, if you want me to film a video just using drugstore makeup, let me know because I have a lot of drugstore makeup and I love drugstore makeup. Anyways, I put this all over my face. I love it. I love bronzing up my face, giving myself a little tan, you know. I put this also on my crease and in my lower lash line. I feel like this really helps define my eyes and it just doesn't look as plain, you know. It just gives it a little bit of something, so I love that. Then I use this highbrow highlight pencil from Benefit and I put it under my eyebrows. I put it in my inner corners as well, and then I use my finger just to kind of blend everything in. I feel like this really helps brighten up the eye a lot. So then I like to put blush. Of course, I have to put blush. I use this one from Makeup Revolution. I love it. And then I like to put mascara. Of course, I can't just go out without mascara. I mean, come on, like, comment down below if you always have to put mascara as well. I like to put some mascara. This one's from the brand Purr. I love it. It doesn't make my eyelashes clumpy and I love that. And then I use this lip balm lipstick kind of thing. It's amazing. I love it. I've been using it for months now and it makes my lips look so juicy and so hydrated. So I love that. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it and let me know in the comments down below if you did. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you like this video. It was just like a very different type of video, so I hope you guys liked it. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well. They might be, you know, hair videos, but I'm sure you're gonna like them, so make sure you go and check them out. Bye guys, love you.